Hi everyone, this is Jessica Alba. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a very special guest today, Sophia Ramos. So Sophia is going to walk me through an 18th B-Day glam. You can see this is the look. So basically I just do everything that she tells me to do. Watch the video, check it out to see all the steps. I don't know what kind of illness I look like I have, but I definitely look like I'm iron deficient. Zombie is sort of like the first thing that's coming, like I just look sort of ill. So let's walk through the glam. So what are we gonna do first?
Starting with my primer, always. I know that my makeup's gonna be sitting on my face for a while. I think it's really important.
And you do it with your hands, so I'm gonna use hands. Now tell me, what does an 18th birthday, what does that entail?
I'm going to get my doubles pierced, which I'm really excited about.
What does that mean? Doubles pierced?
It means that I'm getting a double set of piercings, so I'm getting my second piercings because I only have my first. I'm gonna be putting on my tinted moisturizer. I'm just using the shade Light.
So I'm gonna use Light as well. You know, you're 18, you can get your third and fourth at the same time. So are tattoos a yes or a no?
I feel like it's not really my type of a vibe. I like really like cute, small, dainty ones, but I'd never go for a big one.
I have a few friends who did that one. Oh Lord. They have these semi-permanent tattoos on your face.
How many tattoos do you have?
These are my children. These are my children. And I like this one. The other two.
Not a fan.
All I wanted was a little tiny ladybug, and somehow I was convinced to get a flower with a vine, and it looks like a lizard.
Contour time.
I'm gonna use Java.
I'm gonna use Cocoa. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this part of my sponge, the side, and I'm just gonna pinch it kind of like this, so I can get like a smooth application, and I'm just gonna put it in the hollows of my cheeks.
Okay.
And then I use the side where I had the foundation to blend it out, so it kind of mixes with your color,
I've never tried this before.
Yeah, it blends it out a lot. Do the same thing on the other side.
So what's nice about these foundations is you could use it like a foundation, you can use it like a concealer. I do like to put, when I'm doing a full face, the tinted moisturizer underneath.
Right.
So I still get the sunscreen, and then I think contouring with foundation, a cream foundation, is the most natural way to contour. So you're now setting your face with powder.
I look back at photos and I look like cake face. For me, it's just doing less.
Okay, so I have a dry pink sponge.
Just tap it off on your thing so it's not too much. Yeah, there you go. And then just lightly pack it under your eye. There you go.
Like that?
And then whatever's left, you just touch your forehead lightly. And then you wait maybe like 10 seconds, and then I'll just go with my brush and take it all off. So I'm just gonna use Dusk, and I'm
Dusk
blending,
reflection?
So, yep. So we're just doing the same place that we contoured. And then you can go over the high points with the lighter shade, Dawn.
Like, what is a high school party?
What does it look like? It's a lot of people awkwardly standing around. It's so awkward. I've never been like a true fan. I'm just using Foxy. It's the new Honest Beauty Powder Blush.
It's so nice in the summer.
I love this blush. Oh my gosh, it's got like highlight in it too.
Highlighter?
I did a little bit. I just put some on my face, but I'll do
nose.
I'll do nose, of course, and then a little bit on my cheekbone. A little bit here on the upper lip. All right, brows.
I do like to do my brows actually before, because it just sort of like makes me feel just more together.
We are moving on to eyeshadow. We have our Honest Beauty Get It Together palettes here. I'm just gonna start off with this shade right here. It's just the matte brown. So I'm just going with a fluffy brush, and then I'm starting right here, concentrating it, and then I blend it all the way across, just windshield wiper motions back and forth. I'm just gonna use this shade right here, this dark shade, and then you're just gonna put it on your outer V right here, outer corner, and then just work it in so it's not super harsh.
Oh, you mean like that?
Yeah, like that.
Like don't do that.
Nothing a little blending can't fix.
That is the key, friends. If you have a fear of doing eyeshadow, all you gotta do is blend, and you can blend away your mistakes.
I'm just gonna take the same brown shade that we started with, and I'm gonna put it on my under eye. I love a really pretty under eye.
Do you think your style's gonna change from high school to college?
I need to go college clothes shopping because I cleaned out. I literally took 3 trash bags worth of clothes. I'm donating it all, but it was a full closet clean out.
We should do a fashion video with like,
Yes.
here's like some staples for adulting. Comment below, guys, if you think that would be a fun video for us to do.
I'm gonna do this pink shade right here, this little shimmery pink.
Just on the
Inner corner, and I bring it to the center of my eye where the dark shadow meets.
Okay.
And then I'm just gonna blend in the glitter on the mid part of my eye with my fluffy brush just to get it all blended out.
We're gonna do mascara next.
Yeah.
After I put the primer on, that's usually when I pick out my lip. On the bottom.
Always. I'm gonna start with a little bit of BFF and then I do the lighter shade on top. I'm just gonna do a little bit of Off Duty in the center just to lighten it up.
I like this technique.
And then we'll just do a little bit of lip crayon. This is Sheer Blossom.
And you go across the whole thing.
Mainly in the center just so I keep the darker kind of outer corners, but it gives you a nice gloss. Back with the mascara.
I love this mascara with the primer because it really looks like instant lash extensions.
It's my favorite mascara ever. Never looked back. And it lasts all day. I play tennis, so tennis practice is foolproof.
Well, look at us.
Look at this.
I've never done the powder the way that you did it. I love this eye. It could be for daytime, nighttime. This is awesome. So this is a 18th birthday glam look. This is really pretty. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Guys, make sure that you like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. Let me know what other kind of videos Sophia and I should do together. All right,
Please do.
peace,
Bye.
hearts, and happy birthday.
Thank you.